y equal to cot inverse whole square. All of you listen. There are three functions: power function, cot inverse and x cube. First derivative of the power function, n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of cot inverse, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. We apply these three formulas. dy by dx. First, derivative of the power function, 2 into cot inverse x cube whole power 2 minus 1. Derivative of the power function is over. Derivative of cot inverse, 1 by 1 plus x cube whole square minus 1 by, minus 1 by 1 plus x square over derivative of x cube, 3 into x power 3 minus 1. Derivative of the power function, derivative of cot inverse, derivative of x cube. So 2 into cot inverse x cube power 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x power 6 into 3x square into 3x square y equal to tan inverse secant x plus tan x. All of you listen. First derivative of tan inverse, 1 by time ఇస్తానమ్మా వినండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం వినండి. డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ tan inverse, ఫస్ట్ లిజన్, 1 by 1 plus x square, this is x place, 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of internal function secant x plus tan x, 1 by 1 plus a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab into this one, derivative of secant x into tan x, derivative of tan x, secant square x. Actually 1 plus tan square theta from the trigonometry, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Write numerator as it is. Write numerator as it is. See, 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta plus 2 tan x into secant x. Secant square x plus secant square x, 2 secant square x. Take 2 common. So secant x tan x plus secant square x by, take 2 common, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x. So final answer is 1/2. First write into derivative of internal function. Write down dy by dx 1/1 plus x square 1/1 plus x square into derivative of cos x by 1 plus cos x. All of you listen. This is in the form of u by v. We apply u by v formula in that place. So 1 by, take LCM, 1 plus cos x whole square LCM, 1 plus cos x whole square plus cos square x. Next, apply u by v formula. U dash v, this is u dash v minus v dash 1 plus cos x whole square into cos x. U dash v minus v dash u by v square by v square. U dash v minus v dash u by v square. This term cancel. Take sin x into 1 plus cos x. Next, derivative of cos x minus sin, minus into minus plus sin x into cos x plus b square plus 2ab. This cos square x is this one, a plus b whole square plus cos square x sin x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x into cos x by 1 plus 2 cos x 2 cos square x. That is the answer.